Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back here with another video, and this time we have Starbucks on the list. So today we have Janam with us, who is doing his industrial training from Starbucks, and he will be sharing his industrial training interview and work experience with us. So let's jump on to the conversation. Hi Janam, welcome to the channel.
Hi Priya, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you for welcoming me here.
Yeah, sure. It's my pleasure actually. So let's start the video, Janam. We'll start from your quick intro. You can tell us about your articleship firm and your articleship field.
Okay. So after clearing my CA inter, I had joined APMH and Associates LLP. It's a mid-sized CA firm. I had joined the audit department and I had limited exposure of direct as well as indirect taxation here. So I had cleared my inter CA in the first attempt, and then I continued the articleship in the CA firm for about 1.5 years.
Okay, and then you joined industrial training.
Yes, then I joined industrial.
Okay. So had you applied through LinkedIn for this industrial training?
No, actually, at presently, Starbucks is not hiring that much industrial trainees, and as a result, it is not putting vacancies out on LinkedIn or any other profile. I had one of my colleagues was knowing someone in the Starbucks team, and via him, I forwarded my CV to the team where I wish to join.
Okay, so it's basically we can get it there through some referral, or if we know someone, we can send out our resume to that, right?
Yes. But in the future, they are planning to even hire more industrial trainees. So they will probably put it on LinkedIn as well going ahead.
Okay, all right. So next we can talk about how many rounds of interview were there for your role.
There was only one round of interview,
Okay.
which was with my the manager of my team, to whom I am going to report. So I had forwarded my CV, and after they checked it, I received a call for an interview.
Okay.
And once the interview was done, within a week, I received a call that I am selected.
Okay. So what were the interview questions which were asked?
So some of the questions were very basic, like tell me about yourself, and they were just checking the communication skills and everything. And some questions were asked with relation to what areas of work I have done in my articleship. That is with respect to audits, whether I know how to use SAP or not. And I had applied for the financial planning and analysis team. So they were asking me some questions related to that what am I expecting, that what will be my role,
Okay.
like that.
Okay. And what is the current stipend for this role?
Stipend, officially I'm not supposed to reveal, but what I can say is it is at par with what a person will get in a Big Four articleship.
Okay. All right. How many months will you get for your study leave?
Here it literally depends on in which team you are. Presently, they are hiring in two teams: financial planning and analysis team, that is my team, and in other is the direct taxation team. So it will range between 3.5 to 4 months. It will depend on how well you negotiate it.
Okay. And do they ask you to defer your attempt?
No, they don't ask you to defer the attempt. So what you can do means after 1.5 years of articleship, you can join here, probably continue for another year, go for your study leave, come back and complete your rest of your 3 to 4 months.
Okay. All right. And so what's your current work profile and what do you do on a day-to-day basis?
So my current work profile, I can divide into 3 areas. One area is the software automation part. Presently, we are maintaining our books of accounts in SAP. So there are some of the reports we have customized SAP to generate for us for daily review and analysis. So now what we are doing is we are integrating the same in our teams itself. So instead of a person who will need to log in the SAP to just view a report, he can get that report directly from a click of a button in the Teams app. So there are 3 to 4 such reports which I am presently automating along with other teams. That is one of the areas. Second area is with respect to the AOP, annual operating plan, or commonly called as budgets. It's a trend of many companies to prepare their annual forecast and budget for the upcoming year. So it involves several calculations and predictions, like how much stores will we have next year, what will be the average amount of transactions, inflation, etc. So those are the several factors we have to take into account for different items, and we have to prepare a company level projected profit and loss account for the upcoming 1 year. So that is the another activity which we perform, and in that activity we also have to deal with the other departments, because various numbers in the profit and loss account have to be attributed to various departments. For example, if I go with the salary cost, I have to contact the HR team.
Correct.
If I go for the sales and cost of goods sold, then I will have to deal with the supply chain team and the operations team.
First.
So that is the second part. And the third part is the preparation of monthly reports. What has been the profitability performance in the last 1 month, and as well as what are the new things that they are implementing in the company to improve the overall progress of the company. So for that, we have to prepare some reports. I have to prepare that reports. So these are the broadly the 3 areas where I work.
Okay, okay. So do you when do you anticipate they'll hire the next something, or as you mentioned that they may hire in future? So do you have some anticipation date? So when will the vacancy release, or
I think by June they will open additional vacancies for more industrial trainees.
in the last, any tips you want to give, or anything which you have prepared for the interview other than the resume or RCA final subject knowledge?
Right.
So any tips for students who are looking for CA industrial training at Starbucks?
Yeah, so I don't think so. There is something specific that you need to prepare to crack this interview. I would just say that go confidently, and if you will be good enough, they will select you. And secondly, it is general tip. I would recommend all of the aspiring industrial trainees that they should pursue it, because it will definitely offer a very wide range of options for you in the future.
Correct. That I also agree with. Thank you so much, Janam, for coming on this channel and sharing your insights with the students.
It was my pleasure.
Okay, thank you so much.